Welcome to your newly built home with no HOA or CDD. Be the first owner of this great open floor plan located in a community-friendly neighborhood of Ruskin. As you pull into the house, you will notice the ample space on this quarter-acre lot. There is plenty of room to roam and plenty of space for your RV, boat, or any toys you'd like to store on your property. As we enter the home, you'll appreciate the crown molding in the entrance hallway and the luxury vinyl flooring installed throughout the entire home. No carpet whatsoever. The main bedroom is located conveniently in the front of the house, away from the other bedrooms. The main bathroom boasts a fantastic tile shower featuring glass doors, granite countertops, and his and hers undermount sinks. Oh, and don't forget the spacious walk-in closet. You will appreciate the openness as you make your way into the great room and kitchen and more crown molding. Get ready to invite all your friends and family for gatherings. Your home will be the new place to be. Your new fantastic kitchen features beautiful granite countertops, brand new Samsung stainless appliances, ample storage space in cabinetry, and a spacious pantry. There is another full bathroom located in the hallway of the 3 other bedrooms featuring a tiled tub/shower, granite countertop, and natural lighting through the window. The 2-car garage is extra tall and has so much space it's insane. At the rear of the home you will find an ample-sized deck waiting for your barbecue.